this be a yard of 2x bars.
Hey babes, welcome to my second episode of Christmas tree vlog. As you watched my last vlog, I ended up going back home for Thanksgiving. Now I'm back. It's been 2 days and tonight we decided we're gonna put some lightings on the tree. This is the final result of spraying million cans of fake snow on the tree. I think it looks good.
What's good, baby? It's holiday season.
The only thing I purchased while I was in San Francisco was this I keep saying bet skirt, and the tree skirt from Home Goods there. Alright, you guys, these are the lights we have at home. We're gonna put them on and see if we need more of these type of lights. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to Target and get those, how do you say them? Like circly lights? I don't know. The bubbly lights. Omar is trolling with us. This was a brand new light he just bought like 10 days ago or a week ago, right before I left, and it's not even working. This is our lighting situation so far, guys. Not gonna lie, I'm not a big fan of this mess. I should have not put this skirt on the bottom. I'm so stupid. Oh. Stupido. Yum, yum.
Kind of sad Thanksgiving's over, but you know, it's all good.
What's up, you guys? It's the next day, actually. I'm gonna go take pictures and go to Target and Home Goods. We'll see what we can find. I need 2 set of lighting strings, and I might buy some ornaments and Christmas decoration. If you're interested, tag along. Oh, before I go, I want to say this again. I used the full filter foundation from Huda Beauty. I told you guys in the previous vlog that you're probably watching today. I'm gonna give it a try when I come back from San Francisco, and today was the day. I put on the primer again, the foundation, and it's been up on my face for the past 5 hours. I've been scrubbing the floors. Literally, I'm sweating because it's almost 80 degrees in Houston. Summer all of a sudden decided to come back, and I'm sweating my ass off over here. The AC is on, probably you can hear it, but I have no other choice. Otherwise, it feels like I'm legit sitting in hell. So, what I was saying, I totally forgot. How nice. Oh, the foundation. Okay, so I put it on. I've been sweating everything for the past 5 hours. Guys, I mean, I know, just don't mind my pores because they've been acting up. I need a good scrub and facial. I just can't get it with my IPL. But the foundation still looks amazing. It's one of those foundation I think I will end up buying. I know it's expensive. It's probably around $60, but I feel like it's worth it. The sweat doesn't make it move around, nothing. It's like set in place. I'm really liking it. Just want to tell you that, all right? Okay, bye. Are we Christmas shopping or what? Decoration shopping or backpack shopping?
Backpack. I need a backpack.
You need a back. Oh yeah, this is perfect for my team.
This is kind of small.
It suits you.
I wish it was a little bit bigger.
I got Christmas. I get up in it. You know I eat my spinach. Trying to stay nutritious, cause I gotta flex on Christmas. Bring the litness. Gravy Your train. Mama is a witness. Gold chain with the turtleneck, cause it's Christmas. Got the ice.
What we got here is these dollar ornaments.
All I want for Christmas is
got cheese Hawaiian.
Oh, the best part is this.
Marshmallows.
I only know what else I asked for Christmas, man.
These are super cute. I think I like this 42 count thingy because it has like a rose color. Can you see how much is this one? the 42 counts?
Oh Lord. 42 counts. Oh
20,
Lord.
not too bad.
Where's the price?
It's up there, 20.
Oh.
Should we get the gold one? I think that one is the best. Probably I'm gonna get rid of some of the ornaments we grabbed. These are better quality, I guess. Like these are better than those dollar
glass,
ones.
right?
I think, yeah, these are glass.
Yeah,
They're gonna break
glass.
fast though, but
Breakfast?
I got a perfect decoration, babe. Just a little bit too late. That would be perfect.
Oh my god.
Golden.
Is this a piece of art or what?
Golden chicken.
Once $24.99, now it's only $17.48.
Oh my god, what a good deal.
Oh my god.
Just got back home. We ended up just going to Target and then Trader Joe's. Okay, so these are from the previous years. We bought these for like $1 last year from Target. And then I bought these, the whole set from Home Goods a couple of years ago. 2 of them already broken, so that's why I put those things there. I bought these from Marshall's too. I love this pinky rose one. We bought these actually after Christmas last year, so we end up not putting it on our tree. I have this from like 3-4 years ago for the tree, and it's velvet. It got the Mackenzie Child, the logo, the checker, which I love the most. I'm gonna basically wrap around my tree. And what we bought today, hopefully these lights will work. We bought these. These are like flocked ones. They're $10 from Target. They're glass ornaments. I like glass ornaments better, even though I'm moving and probably gonna break all of them. And these, since I'm so into rosy color, this is the whole 42 count glass ornament, and we bought it for $20, which to me it's very affordable. The exciting part, we got this is only one. We got this little car which has the Christmas tree on top. We thought it's super cute to just use it as a background for our Christmas videos or just a decoration piece. They were $10. They come in different sizes, different type of cars and trucks and all those jazz. And then I bought these snowflakes. Again, they're like rosy color. They're only $3 and they have 3 in here. I think that's just enough because I have so many ornaments as it is, I feel like. These were just fun, so we bought 2 of these and they're only $1 a piece. Obviously, they're just pure plastic. They're gonna look cute in the pictures. We splurged a little bit on this guy and it's already like falling apart, I feel like. No, it's not. This string is like, hold on, give me a second. Let me untangle this baby. Is it Santa? Santa's boy, whatever. I think it's Santa. It's kind of creepy. We bought this for $5 and you see me in there. Hi, cutie pie. Parmita. Moving on, the best part that I love the most, it reminds me of my mom, like old times back in Iran. She had like a big old bowl in the house and she had all those things that they smell good. I don't know what they call them. I don't know it in Farsi. I don't know it in English. They were like kind of like these, but like in smaller version, and they smell so good. So we grabbed these sugar pine coins. Metin likes the extra large ones, so we grabbed 2 packs. They were like $3.99, I believe, from a Trader Joe's to kind of decorate the bowl. Now I think the 2-pack is too huge and we only need 1. We'll see what else we bought. I think that's about it. Oh, no. One more thing, guys. I'm gonna put a little candle right over here. That way it makes my ugly counter look a bit better because I just hate these faux counters. Okay, babe, are you ready to start or what?
I am ready.
Oh, he's wearing the same shirt as yesterday. We
Boom.
just noticed that.
Captain America, baby.
Captain America.
Marvel.
All I want for Christmas is some ice. Look down at my wrist, it look like the Northern Lights. Sugar with the spice, bitch.
Martine is opening up the next box and we're gonna put more right down over here. We don't know what to do with this ornament. Where should we put it? We have no idea. Where should we put it, Baba? Is it gonna be like that?
Everything nice, bitch. I pull up my sleeve, it feel like I hit the light switch. I feel that Christmas weather, so I got my crispy sweater. Sipping on some scotch while I write your a letter about how I'm better and how I got this cheddar. Young gravy, how you so clever. Watching ink dripping off my pen feather. Got a girl you need finessed, it would be my pleasure. I get up in it, you know I eat my spinach. Trying to stay nutritious, cause I gotta flex on Christmas. Bring the litness, your mama is a witness. Gold chain with the turtleneck, cause it's Christmas. Got the ice, 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 ice. All I want for Christmas is some ice, 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 ice. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed what we brought you today. Merry Christmas. I ain't finished. My side bitch is a gymnast. Before I lay the pipe, I gotta stretch for 30 minutes. Cause it's Christmas. She can do it by herself. But she got real excited when I dressed up like an elf. You know I got the whole outfit. Bells on my kicks just so I can see some tits. Lickety split. What's good, baby? It's holiday season. Kind of sad Thanksgiving's over, but you know, it's all good. Still got Christmas. Gold chain with the turtleneck, cause it's Christmas. Got the ice, 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 ice. All I want for Christmas is some ice, 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 ice.